Dear students, in the last class we discussed a rectangular notch. Now we go further, that is a triangular notch. If you observe a triangular notch, in the triangular notch, so the cross section what I have chosen is a triangular, and in this the total angle what I have considering is 2 theta. Okay, for my in this I have considered a small section. My intention is to calculate how much discharge is happening about that small section, which is equals to area into velocity. So area is, if you observe, what is the area? Let's take this total length as 2b up to here, sorry, and the thickness is dh. The total height, which this total fluid we have to fluid here, let this total height is head h, and the distance between these two, that means where you have considered section, is small h. So again, you can use Bernoulli's theorem. From that you can calculate V equals to root 2 GH. Already we discussed in the rectangular section also. V2 can be written as root 2 GH. So now I can write area of that small section as 2B into, that is length, into thickness DH, and V2 is equals to root 2 GH. Now if you observe from here, let me draw a triangle. From that triangle, write tan theta. So if you write tan theta, what is tan theta? B by h minus h, because this is h minus h. So from that, B can be written as h minus h into tan theta. So now if you substitute dq, then we can integrate, then you will get total discharge. Integral dq is equals to q. From that I can write this as a 2 into integral. Let me remove this because it is not looking good. So let me write integral 2 into b is written as h minus h of tan theta into dh into root 2g h. This was the equation we are getting. Now from this, if you write q is equals to, so now what are the constants? So for separate everything, so if you extend further, this equation is comes out to be 2 is a constant and root 2g also I can write outside. Now check what are the remaining terms. Tan theta, yes, I can write outside. Now integral. So what is the limits of integration? Because 0 to h, the flow is flowing 0 to h. And then what are the remaining terms? You can see here h minus h of c dh. Okay, now at the end root 2g, that means root h, 2g outside, then h, then root h into dh. So if you integrate this, what you will get? 2 root 2g into tan theta of h into h power 1 by 2 minus h power 1 into h power 1 by 2, just multiplied, of dh. Actually this is integral. Hope understood. Now again it is 0 to h, just I multiplied that. The next stage we will do integration. So if you observe integration, 2 root 2g into tan theta of h, and h power 1 by 2 integration is h power 3 by 2 into 2 by 3 minus, you observe here h power 5 by 2, 1 plus 1 by 2, it's 3 by 2, 5 by 2, then the h power 5 by 2 is integral value into 2 by 5. Hope you understood this with limits of integration 0 to h. So if you go further, the discharge Q can be written as 2 root 2g into tan theta. So why again a necessary step this? So we'll multiply and directly we'll write a step. So that can be written as, if you do calculation, you will get 8 by 15 into tan theta into root 2g into h power 5 by 2 into coefficient of discharge, which is equals to Q actual discharge, which is happening through a rectangular section. This is for triangular section. Whatever we discussed earlier, that is a rectangular section. Let me write that also. So Q actual for rectangular section can be written as 2 by 3 into coefficient of discharge into B into root Tg h power 3 by 2. Actually, you will get questions directly based on these formulas in your GATE examination, or if you are writing SSC JE also, you will get questions directly from this. With this today's topic, I am closing. We'll start a new topic now.